2026 era, 5 skills that make you unreplaceable by robots. 1. The hook determination clock. Look at your calendar, we are standing on the precipice of 2026. For years, AI taking your job was a sci-fi punchline. Today, it's a terrifying headline. We've seen the reports, 300 million jobs globally could be automated. AI to displace 40% of the workforce, but most of this is fear-mongering noise. The truth is much more precise. Yes, many jobs will disappear, but if your role is defined by repetitive, logical, or data-heavy tasks, you are already the walking dead in the job market. Today, we are moving past the panic. We've analyzed the capabilities of AI and the unique psychology of human intelligence to reveal the definitive 5 skills that no robot can replace by 2026. This is your survival guide. This is the difference between being obsolete and being indispensable. You're about to see the real future of human work. 2. Skill 1. Radical adaptability. In the past, intelligence was about what you knew. In 2026, intelligence is about how fast you can forget what you knew and learn something new. We call this radical adaptability. The half-life of any given skill is plummeting. A coding language learned 5 years ago might be handled entirely by AI by 2026. If your career relies on mastering one tool or one specific process, a robot is coming for you. Robots are optimized for consistency. Humans must be optimized for change. Radical adaptability isn't just about learning new tools, it's about being psychologically comfortable in chaos. It's the ability to pivot your entire business model, your entire skill set, or your entire career trajectory, not in years but in months. By 2026, the people who thrive will be the ones who can look at a disruption and say, okay, that's done, what's next? 3. Skill 2. Complex ethical judgment. AI is a logic engine. It is incredible at optimizing a metric or following a set of rules. But AI has absolutely zero understanding of morality, context, or consequences. This leads us to the second unreplaceable skill, complex ethical judgment. In 2026, decisions will not be about what is possible, AI handles that, they will be about what is right. We are talking about the massive gray areas of human life. When an AI suggests optimizing a workforce that would destroy a local community, who makes the final call? When an algorithm accidentally embeds a racial bias, who is responsible? Robots cannot navigate the human cost. We need ethical compasses, human leaders, lawyers, managers, and designers who can weigh contradictory values, profit versus integrity, short-term gain versus long-term trust, efficiency versus empathy. 4. Skill 3. Strategic empathy. We've all seen the paintings of 3 kings at the manger. And we know that's not historically accurate. Well, the modern myth is that robots are logical, humans are emotional. The real secret? Emotions are data, and in 2026 the skill you need is strategic empathy. A robot can detect sadness, it cannot understand suffering, it can simulate politeness, it cannot build trust. Strategic empathy is the ability to connect with another human being at a core level and use that connection to drive a desirable outcome. It's critical for negotiation, mentorship, high-stakes sales, leadership, and crisis management. A robot can deliver a presentation, only a human can feel the room and change the pitch mid-sentence. In an automated world, human connection will be the premium product. 5. Skill 4. Applied creativity and synthesis. Let's bust the biggest myth of all, AI is creative. No, it's generative. It analyzes 1 billion existing human creations and rearranges the pieces. The 4th skill is applied creativity and synthesis. True human creativity is not just about making something new, it's about synthesis, connecting dots that aren't obviously connected. AI operates within a box. Humans build the box. We need people who can combine a passion for medieval history with coding to create a revolutionary video game. People who can synthesize psychological insights with engineering to design a better urban park. AI is the paintbrush, humans are the artists, we are the architects of the new how. 6. The conclusion, your 2026 future. Why does it matter that a robot might take your job by 2026? Because it's an opportunity to discover what makes you human. Automation is not a disaster, it is a filtration system. It is removing the boring, the repetitive, and the machine-like from human life. The 5 skills we just covered: radical adaptability, complex ethical judgment, strategic empathy, applied creativity, and synthesis. They are not soft skills. They are the ultimate hard skills. They are unautomatable. Your value is not determined by how much you know. It is determined by how uniquely human you are. Now, I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. 1. What's your current job, and do you feel threatened by the 2026 AI revolution? 2. Which of these 5 skills do you feel is your strongest? Let's argue politely in the comments. Hit that like button if this video helped you prepare for 2026. Subscribe and hit the bell. Next week, we are going deep into the ethics of AI consciousness and whether a robot will ever truly have a soul. Thanks for watching, keep evolving, keep connecting, and I'll see you in the future.